Hi parents and students, I just wanted to make a short video and show you how to get your students on their own ClassDojo account where they can message with me and they can send me their work from their portfolio. So what I did was I made a pretend student in our class and then I pretended that I'm their parent. So this is the login that you see usually. You have your students, you have your stories here. In the middle are all your students and then messages. So when you go to your students button, all of the students that you have at Wilson Primary should show up here. And so here's my pretend student, Z-Bob. So I'm going to click him. And then when you're in his account, you can see, this is usually where you see their points. You can give points at home, his classes, things like that. But if you click these three little dots at the top, it will show you two new options. And at the bottom, it says QR login for Z-Bob. And so you push that, and then this QR code comes up. And now what you can do is your student on their own device, it could be a tablet, it could be a phone, it could be the laptop that you got from school. They scan this code and then it allows them to make their own account for ClassDojo. It'll be a student account. They won't see our private messages or anything like that, but they will be able to message me or to send me things in their portfolio. And this is the way that they're going to be asked to turn in their work from the days coming forward. All right, so message me if you have any questions. Try it out. Let me know if it works for you guys. All right, thank you.